Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to track your time with Toggl. Toggl works very similarly to, for example, like a calendar. So all you need to do is when you reach Toggl, you log in, you'll be brought to your workspace. From here, you can organize, for example, your next week for your organization. So let's say, for example, for Thursday at midday around here, let's say from 12:15 till, let's say 45. Yeah, so from 12:15 to 1:45, I will add a security task, let's say, to ensure that the business's security is working fine. And then from here, it's now been added. So I'll now know. You can also add different projects by clicking on add a project. Let's say this project will be new design. And now from here, I can simply click on this little icon here, which is to select a project, and click on new design. And now I'll know that at Thursday at around 9 a.m., we will start working on a new project, which is for a new design, for example, for a brand of clothing that we may be doing, or maybe like, for example, a type of mug that we're creating, etc. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.